Good day to all Hong Kong employers. I'm Jezebel Armario. I'm 43 years old. I'm from Tuburan, Ligao City, Albay, Philippines. I have three children, 24, 23, and 19 years old. I am a nursing graduate. I have experience in Philippines with 3 years as a caregiver. My patient is 87 years old. She is bedridden and diabetic. I have also experience in Hong Kong, an Indian family. They are three members of the family. They are all adults. My duties and responsibilities are marketing, laundering, car washing, cooking, and cleaning the house, and many more. To my future employer, please hire me because I'm a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking. I promise I will do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward as soon as possible. Thank you.